Let's talk a little bit about child support and what that means when it comes to qualifying for a VA loan or really any loan. If you pay child support or you receive child support, there's some important things to know when it comes to your home loan. My name is Drew Smith. I'm a licensed loan officer. I specialize in VA loans, but I have access to most loan programs. So first of all, let's talk about the payer side, right? So if you have child support due and you pay child support every month, what does that mean? Well, we just count it as a liability. So it'd be just like a car payment, a credit card, or a personal loan, anything else like that. Whatever that monthly payment is, we just add it to your liabilities and count it towards your DTI, your debt to income ratio. Now, you can't be in arrears on any federal debt. So we're talking FHA, VA. You cannot be behind on your child support. So as long as you're on time and you've been on time for the last 12 months, you're good to go. Now, if there was a time in the past where you got into arrears, but as long as you have talked to the organization that does that, whatever state or county that's in, and you've gotten back on a new plan, maybe they've readjusted your payment plan and added that arrears to get you caught back up, you're good to go. You just need 12 months back on track for us to be able to qualify you. Now, if you're on the receiving end and you are getting child support on a monthly basis, we can count that as qualifying income. The standard is 3 years, so we need it to continue for at least 3 years. It does vary state to state on how long it's going to be paid. We had a situation here in Colorado where we actually were able to get us an extra year on it because child support's actually paid until you're 19 years old in Colorado. Some other states and other areas, it's 18 years old. So with that 3 years of continuance, the child was 15 years old and it was about to fall off there, but we were able to get it extended and through underwriting and counted as income because we actually knew the state laws there and we were able to get that 3-year minimum of continuation for it. So if you are receiving it, we can count it as income. So if you do get that on a monthly basis, you would want to bring that up and tell your loan officer during the application. You can put that as income. Also, any alimony that you may receive there. So it's just kind of a good practice that when you are filling out a loan application and talking to your loan officer, always just bring up any kind of income, anything that you receive that gets deposited into your account on a regular basis. Always be sure to bring it up. We may or may not be able to use it, but it's always good to know the whole picture and then how we can package it up and possibly put it towards an underwriting to get you approved for a loan. So hopefully that answers some questions that you might have had or maybe you didn't even know you had about child support and qualifying for a home loan. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have more questions. Again, my name is Drew Smith. I'm always up for a conversation. Also, like and follow for more mortgage tips.